Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize colors on G3 AIO. And to do this you will need to click on the start, then go for the settings, locate personalization, here select colors, and now you can customize them. First thing to do is to choose your color. You can select either light or dark theme or set it to custom if you want to customize it yourself. Then here I would go for dark and dark to get more customization options, and then select transparency effect. You can enable or disable them if you like. You can automatically pick accent color from your background, so it will adjust the colors with your wallpaper. And now let's pick different color for our system tray. Let's go for yellow. And here you can enable it, and then as you can see it changes, so make sure to enable both of the switches. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.